Hello friends, welcome back. Hope you are doing well and are ready for the 8th session in this Agile and Scrum series. In this session, we will discuss in detail about the Scrum Master. For discussion purpose, we have taken Miss Kiran as the name of our Scrum Master. Our Scrum Master, Miss Kiran, acts as a servant leader who is true leader who serves both the Scrum team and the organization. Miss Kiran also acts as a change agent who leads, promotes, and supports Scrum adoption. Miss Kiran is accountable for establishing the Scrum framework within the organization as per Scrum guideline. She is accountable for Scrum team's effectiveness and serves the team by coaching them self-management and cross-functionality. She is also accountable for keeping the team focused by removing the impediments to the Scrum team's progress. She helps the Scrum team to improve on how the team works together to create value on an ongoing basis. Also, she acts as a process owner and helps everyone understand the Scrum framework and ensures that all the processes are adhered as per the Scrum guidelines. The Scrum Master ensures that all the Scrum events are taking place as per the Scrum guideline and are productive and time boxed. The Scrum Master services the development team in the following ways. As a Scrum Master, in our case Ms. Kiran coaches the team to be self-managed and cross-functional. She helps the team in understanding the various estimation techniques. She works towards removing the impediments and arranges for help from people outside the Scrum team if required. As a Scrum Master, she facilitates the Scrum events when needed or requested. She ensures that the Scrum guide is followed and all the Scrum events effectively take place regularly at a fixed frequency, which is defined as per the Scrum guide. The Scrum Master services the product owner in the following ways. Ms. Kiran, our Scrum Master, coaches the product owner on writing clear and precise requirements. She also guides the product owner on how to manage the product backlog efficiently. She helps Mr. Ram, our product owner, with the prioritization. She helps Mr. Ram in understanding the various prioritization techniques used to maximize the product value. She helps the PO in establishing the empirical product planning. She can facilitate the Scrum events when requested by the PO. The Scrum Master services the organization in the following ways. Our SM, Ms. Kiran, acts as a change agent and leads the Scrum training and coaching. She works towards the Scrum's implementation and adoption. She works towards creating an environment and culture of empirical product development. She collaborates with other SMs and the outside team members if required to increase the Scrum team's effectiveness. She facilitates the collaboration between Scrum team and the stakeholder. Now, let us summarize important points that we have discussed for the Scrum Master. The Scrum Master is a change agent and a process owner. He or she has a complete authority for the Scrum framework. The Scrum Master coaches the Scrum team members and the organization on the Scrum framework. The Scrum Master is accountable for establishing the Scrum as defined in the Scrum Guide. The Scrum Master is accountable for the Scrum team's effectiveness. He or she helps the development team and the product owner by providing techniques that can help them to achieve the final goal. I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for future notifications.